Good morning student, I am Vaibhav Jaiswal and here before you to teach class 7 science. The topic is transfer of heat. In it we are going to study conduction, convection and radiation. Hoping you all have understood the earlier topics. Now what do you mean by transfer of heat? With the help of the cooking pan example, we can understand how transfer of heat take place. When we are using a cooking pan for frying purpose and when kept a pan on heat, we feel pan is hot after some time. So there must be some transfer of heat in the pan. Now we got to know that heat is transferred from the pan to the surroundings also. So heat flows from a hotter object to a colder object. Coming to the next diagram, that is this. We have taken here a iron rod and with the help of wax we have fixed some of the iron nails on it at equal distance. Now we light up the candle. We see that the iron nail is closest to the candle fall first and afterward the second nail, and this process goes on until the last iron nail falls. So it is an example of transfer of heat. The process by which heat is transferred from hotter end to the colder end of an object is called conduction of heat, and this is the definition of conduction. And conduction generally happens in solid. Now our next topic is कंडक्टर. ऐसे ऑब्जेक्ट जो आसानी से हीट को ट्रांसफ़र होने देते हैं उन्हें हम कंडक्टर कहते हैं. द मटेरियल विच अलाउ हीट टू पास थ्रू देम are called conductor. Example is iron and copper. What do you understand by insulator? The materials which do not allow heat to pass through them easily are called insulator. Example plastic and wood. ऐसे ऑब्जेक्ट जो आसानी से हीट को ट्रांसफ़र नहीं होने देते उन्हें हम इंसुलेटर बोलते हैं. Coming to the next topic, what is convection? With the help of this diagram, we are going to understand what is convection. इसमें हम देख सकते हैं कि एक फ्लास्क में वाटर है और नीचे उसके फ्लेम को जलाया गया है. जब पानी को गर्म करते हैं तो जो पानी फ्लेम के पास में होता है वो पहले गर्म होता है. देन गर्म पानी ऊपर की ओर जाता है और ठंडा पानी नीचे की ओर आता है. ये प्रोसेस तब तक रिपीट होता है जब तक पूरा पानी गर्म नहीं हो जाता है. इस प्रोसेस के द्वारा जो हमारा ट्रांसफ़र ऑफ हीट होता है उसे हम कन्वेक्शन कहते हैं. एंड कन्वेक्शन जनरली टेक्स प्लेस इन लिक्विड. सो द मोड ऑफ ट्रांसफ़र ऑफ हीट टेक्स प्लेस इन लिक्विड. Convection is the mode of transfer of heat which takes place in liquid. We can also understand with the help of next example how transfer of heat by convection in air take place. यहाँ पे हम लोग एक एग्जाम्पल देख सकते हैं. एक कैंडल जल रहा है और एक हैंड है. अगर हम बात करें तो जो हैंड का टॉप पोर्शन है वो जल्दी गर्म हो जाता है एज़ कंपेरिजन टू द साइड. जो साइड में मैंने हाथ रखा है. दिस इज़ द रीज़न why hot air rises up. Hot air rises up. Now what do you understand by radiation? The transfer of heat which does not require any medium is known as radiation. Example heat coming from the sun. इसको हम समझते हैं. जब हम बाहर निकलते हैं और सन की रेज़ हमारे ऊपर पड़ती हैं तो हम गर्मी महसूस करते हैं. तो सूरज की किरणें हम तक कैसे पहुंच रही हैं? उनको तो कोई मीडियम चाहिए नहीं. So it cannot reach us by conduction or convection, as there is no medium such as air or water in most of the space. From the sun, heat comes to us by another process known as radiation. The transfer of heat does not require any medium. It can take place whether medium is present or not. So thank you. Hoping you understand the topic properly and your concepts are clear. Stay home, stay safe and take care of your